So you have this tree, and you don't want it to fall on my masterpiece down here. How do you do that? We're going to show you coming up.
We'll take that smile as a yes.
The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put rope up in the tree. We have ours about 10 to 15 feet up.
Down here it almost looks like it wants to go this way behind me. But with all this foliage on this side, it should go that way. We have a safety rope on it with the kids pulling it that direction. We'll face cut it here. We'll back cut it here with tension on the rope, and it should fall right through there. Nice and safe. So when you're taking the tree down, you want your face cut, your Pac-Man, your V, in the direction of where you're felling your tree. Just that way. We have a safety rope on just to make sure it goes in the right direction. Come in flat. We don't want to come in down like that or up like that. Flat works for me. Make sure it doesn't set back.
Did you say it's hollow, Jeff?
It seems rotten inside.
All right.
Okay, minions. Go!
Pull it taut. Wow. Let's see if it was rotten.
Yeah, it was starting to rot in the center.
Nice.
Wow.
Minions!
You guys, my masterpiece has been saved today because our rope system worked and our technique worked. And it's still here. Thanks for watching, guys.